Here we have the Contempo dry erase board, and this is the 8.5 inch by 11 inches. That's the same size as a paper, so that's why I bought it. Perfect sizing. We do have this little magnet over here, and then we do have the pin that it comes with and this nice little clip, so you can just clip it on, and then also it's like this dry erase at the very top. I do like that. So let's go ahead and flip it over. You guys can see it comes with the 3M little stickies in case you want to stick this on the wall or wherever you guys are trying to place this. So I do like that. Let's go ahead and open it up and test it out. Okay, so you guys can see that this is a little magnet right here. So if you want to put a piece of paper there and write something on the paper, or maybe a picture or whatever, you can just put that right on top and it's going to stick. As you guys can see, it has the clip all the way at the top, and that's what this is for. We just put the pin right here, and then it just holds it in place in case you want to put this on the fridge or anywhere at that matter, because you could just have this nice and handy and you're not going to lose this. So I do like that. Okay, so now let's go ahead and put it to the test and write. It's nice, that soft, smooth surface. Okay, and you guys can see this is what the pen is looking like. So it's going to be nice and easy to erase, because you guys can see it's a medium size right here, and it is that U Brands dry erase board. Okay, so we're just going to write test on here. Okay, we're going to put the cap back on. You guys can see it writes perfectly fine. You could do a list, however you guys want to do it. And then this is that dry erase. Oh, that's beautiful. Just like that, you guys. Okay, erase it, and we're good as new right there, you guys. I do like that right there. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.